Hey guys and dolls, Jane Smith back with another review, this time from McDonald's off of their new dollar menu. I got the classic chicken sandwich for $3. Came to $3.24 with tax. Let's see how it is. Big piece of chicken to start off with. Regular bun. Pop the lid. Got some pickles, some of their signature sauce. Some more of that on the chicken. Let me spread these pickles out a little bit more evenly. This is a nice sized piece of chicken, I have to say. Excuse me. Alrighty. Don't quite know where to start. Let's dig right in. Okay. It has a really decent flavor. I gotta say, let me taste the chicken, by itself. Nice piece of chicken breast there. Very juicy. Excuse me. Juicy, moist, well seasoned. I think I'll take another bite of that. That was pretty nice. Sorry. There's a lot of chicken to deal with. I like that quite a bit. It's a good solid sandwich right there. I can definitely recommend that. Even at $3. I mean, it's not a huge sandwich altogether. I mean, the chicken is big. I like that sauce, too. Their new signature sauce. That's pretty good. Altogether, thumbs up, McDonald's. Great job. All right. So that is it. From everyone here in the Smith household, hope everyone's having a great 2018 so far. Want to bid you happy snacking. Find those delicious sandwiches where you can. And most of all, take care. Bye-bye.